Namaskara. Greetings from the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts Regional Centre, Bengaluru. IGNCA RCB takes pride in announcing a 10-day workshop on Kondapalli toys, the toy-making heritage of Andhra Pradesh, from May 14th to May 23rd, 2022. IGNCA RCB has invited 10 artists from Kondapalli to its campus to exhibit the making of this unique toy craft. Kondapalli is a town in Andhra Pradesh known for its vibrant Kondapalli Bommalu or the Kondapalli toys, a traditional toy craft. Kondapalli toys are a 400-year-old toy-making heritage of Andhra Pradesh known for their lightweight, vibrant colors and traditional production techniques. Tellaponiki is a light wood used by the craftsmen for the Kondapalli toys. Bahudara is an important tool in the making of these toys. The coloring of the Kondapalli toys is done by the women. The vibrant Kondapalli toys depicts themes related to the Puranas, gods, goddesses and the village life and are an important part of the Bommala Koluvu during the Sankranti, Dashera and the Deepavali festival. We invite art lovers, collectors and everyone to participate in the 10-day workshop to experience the vibrancy of the Kondapalli toys.
Come and visit IGNCA Bangalore for the celebration of Kondapalli toys.